What's up, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today, coming at you with another quick video. Wanting to show you how you can make $1 a minute doing a really simple job that anybody can do. You can take this money and convert it into a real online business. I'm not going to say that you can crush it with this, but I'm sure that you can make some money with it, you know. And if y'all find value in this, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. At least then I know y'all don't like my content, and I can change it up and do something else. If y'all don't let me know what's going on, I can't do nothing for you here. I'm trying though to help y'all out. That way y'all can have some content that help y'all make money, and how to possibly change your mindset and everything else. It's like my home screen says on my YouTube. I'm all about business mindset and making money. So, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to talk about Captcha Club today. This is a online job that you can do. You're still trading time for money. Like I said, you can make $1 a minute doing this if you type quick enough. It's a real simple thing to do. And it is anywhere in the world. This is worldwide. As you see, Nigeria, India, Bangladesh, all y'all guys that normally can't do anything, you can. This right here pays out in PayPal and Payoneer. So this is worldwide where you can get paid. If you watch this little video right here, they show you proof where they're paying out. They got a payment guarantee. Payment guarantee provided by Google Search. Pay honestly on the date first of each month. Earnings withdrawal or PayPal. I've heard rumor that Pays is no longer working. I don't know. And Payoneer, it's 100% automatic. If you can type faster, you can make more money. Here, as you see here, you can start on the standard, which is what I'm on right now, and you can get paid 3 cents per click, which I know is only $3 a day, fellas, because you're maxed out in 100 captchas a day. The bad part about that, I'll go ahead and tell you, is it's 100 captchas. Right or wrong, it's 100 captchas, and you only get paid for the right ones. Okay? Just so you know. Here, what I'm going to do, once I hit my $100, I'm going to upgrade to the 450 plan. Because it costs you $100 for that. And you, of course, you get $250 a day, and you can earn up to $450 a month. Once I hit this, I'm going to go over here to the unlimited, which is $200. I'll show you all this later on the inside. And as you see, you get unlimited. What it is premium plus 2 premium packages together, and all of them come with 24-hour support. I've never had to use it personally. I've been doing it off and on for about 3 months, I guess. And as you see, they are very well recommended here with Norton and Comdo and DDoS and Alexa and Cloudflare. Everybody, needs this stuff, and it's like they say, it's an easy online job. It's probably the easiest work I think anybody can do. All you gotta do is type in what you see on the screen. So, like I said, I'd show you all this on the back side of it. As you see, like, this is 812, that one's 8.7. as you see, I don't always get to do this every day. I forget or whatever. As you see, I've got up to $92. Once I hit that $100 and the first month come rolling around, I'm going to let y'all know whether they actually pay out or not, because I'm going to try my best to make sure that I get that, at $3 a day. I don't need but 3 days more, so I should be able to. Now, click on this, and no, I can't do that yet. Anyway, let's do this, and I'll show you what the membership rates. I kind of showed you at the bottom of the screen a while ago, but okay, here we go. Minimum withdrawal, which this one's 100% free, right? Now, I'll tell you the only thing I kind of don't like about these guys. I wish they paid out in Bitcoin, because if you go to buy it, you have to buy it in Bitcoin. Okay? But as you see, it's $100 or $200. And that's not $100 worth of Bitcoin. It's 100 US dollars in Bitcoin. I hope that makes sense, because I don't know how else to describe that. But as you see, these cost $100 and that one's $200, and that's the big reason why I hadn't actually upgraded yet, because I'm not big on Bitcoin. So if you're in another part of the country, you may be, or world, you may be able to use Perfect Money or Payoneer, because see, I can't use any of these besides Bitcoin. I'm in the US. We can't use Web Money. You can't use Payoneer. You can't use Perfect Money here. See, that's where we fall into issue every once in a while. Y'all on the other side have a lot more options. I know Perfect Money is more the Asia countries. Payoneer, I can't remember. I know I looked up a lot of them, but I know with us it's basically Bitcoin, and that's the reason why I hadn't done it. But with that being said, let me show y'all how to do this. You hit enter CAPTCHA up here, and it'll bring you over to this screen. All you do is type PFFUM. Make sure you put in the capital letters, because if you don't, it will not, I repeat, it will not give you credit for it. As you see, entry successful, earning credited. Right? So you hit enter CAPTCHA again. And to make this a little quicker, what I do, I hit enter instead of going down there and clicking on the enter part every time. Because if you click on that, it slows it down. If you just hit the enter button, it'll go on. Just like that. And just so you see, this right here, the correct 813, it is what it is. But as before, if y'all want a way to make better money online, it's like I said, I would take this money and invest it into something else that would make y'all even more money. Let me show you what that would be. And this is a whole $7 for y'all to do this. As you see, it's Legendary Marketer right here. And as you see, I am an honest member. You see me logging into this now, and you get a 15-day business consultant course here that they'll walk you through everything you need to know. Like this one's building a high-ticket, high-profit business. Second day is, let me let it load. I don't remember. I'd have to read it. 4 cores to high-ticket business model online. But as you see, schedule your one-on-one business Business plan call with your advisor to claim your bonus. As you see, you get an advisor with this as well. You're not just limited to, here's the courses and go learn it. You're on your own. You get an online course. You get an advisor, and there's a Facebook group. So, there's always support out there. Always. And even Monday through Friday here, you get a wake-up call every Monday through Friday at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. And, what you do, you just keep going through to day 15, and you learn what you need to learn in order to start a business. Once you pay that $7, you don't have to buy anything else if you don't want to. Now, there will be upsells on the backside. I'm not going to lie to you. There is. But, there is so much information in this 15 days. You really need to check it out. And it's the first link in the description. Fellas, without that, I wouldn't have a clue what I'm doing. As you see, you get bonus scripts and templates here. It really is a business in a box, I guess. But, I guess I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Remember, I'll try to put out content Monday through Friday. Unless there's some sort of family emergency or something, I'll try to make sure I get y'all something out Monday through Friday at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. So, till tomorrow. Talk to you later.